Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the creeper from the Minecraft movie. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw a line across. Then from both ends, let's curve it up and down. And then add 2 more going out on both sides. Next, underneath, let's draw 2 more going downwards. And now to continue drawing the sides of the head, let's bring it down and in at the bottom. And then another longer one underneath. Then a shorter one. And then a line down on both sides. Next at the bottom, let's draw a curved piece down and in. And another one curving it inwards. Now to close off the bottom, let's bring it in on both sides. And then continue adding spike lines across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the face. Inside at the top, let's draw 2 squares for the eyes. Now top down underneath and let's draw a line across in the center. And then bring it down from the ends. Now from the bottoms, let's bring it out. And then a longer line down. Then let's bring it in, leaving a gap in the center. Up. And then a line across. And that's it for the mouth. Lastly, let's add some details to the head. Let's start with a few zigzag lines at the top. And then let's add some small circles on the head like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start under on both sides and let's draw a curve down and bring it in at the bottom. Now let's work our way down on both sides in the same way. And then a line down on both sides. Now at the bottom here, let's add the legs. Let's start inside and let's draw a curve out, extending it past the outside line. And let's continue to add the fur down on both sides, like this. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and bring it in at the bottom. And then close off each foot with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the toenails. Let's start with the curve on the outside and bring it down. And then add 2 more bumps inside each foot. And that's it for the shape of the legs. Now let's hop in between and we're going to draw a line across for the bottom of the body. Lastly, let's hop inside and let's add some details. Let's draw some zigzag lines across the body. And a few inside the legs. And then add some small circles. And that's it for this Minecraft movie creeper. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!